Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Din. Yeah, I've got my glasses on because I'm about to edit this video and hopefully get it out to you by Friday or Saturday, so you can see how to cook this special recipe. What is it? It's chicken biryani. I've had a lot of people ask me for this recipe, and I've made sure that I've got all the measurements right, so that when you cook it, it will be absolutely delicious. So if you have a look at this biryani, it looks perfect. It's been cooked really well. The measurements and the water content is just right, and you cannot go wrong if you follow the instructions carefully. Make sure you pause the video at the beginning of this video and write down all the ingredients you need before you start. That is the key. And make sure you've got a really good heavy pan for this as well, with a good lid, because that you do need. So as you can see, it's not going to even stick to the bottom of this biryani. As you can see, look, it's absolutely cooked to perfection. So give this a go, and let's not waste any more time and start cooking.